This video, you will learn how we can extract a single shapefile using multiple shapefiles, or how we can select multiple areas using a multi shapefile feature. The first step in our exercise is to add your data. You will just go to add data pane, and you can select any boundary from your project area, from your tehsil, from your admin boundary, from your national boundary, or district boundary. I will just choose district boundary for this, and just click on it, and you will just click on add for this addition. This will show you a preview of your multiple shapefiles. And the next step is to select a single district boundary from its attributes. You will just click on district boundary, and you will just click on attribute table. This will open all attribute tables, and from here you can select uh, or you can apply a select by attribute query. Another tool available in ArcMap is here. You can also add or select by attribute tool. Now you will just click on this, and this will show you select by attribute window. And here I will add a district query district. I just go for a single shapefile extraction, and I will just add district equals to, and then I will get unique values. From here you can select any of the districts. You can select uh, Lodron, and just click on apply. This will show you a single shapefile. The next step is to right click on district boundary, go to your data, and then you will just export your data in your desired folder. Here I will save this RY1 Lodra, and you will just click on save, and then OK. It will show you and you want to add the exported data to the map as a layer. You can choose no or yes as per your requirements. I will just select yes to preview this shape, and here is my extracted single shape file. In our second step, we just need to go for another query for a multiple shapefile extraction query. From here, you will just uncheck your firstly selected shapefile, and you will just again go to your attribute analysis. From here, you will remove the previous query and then select district again. From here, you will add in, and then you will add brackets and get unique values. Inside the bracket, you will add your desired districts, like you can add any of your districts, the store, Avaran, Badin. You can add this one as well. Then just click on apply. This will select your multiple polygons, and you will just again click on this and go to data, then click on export data, and you can save your shape file in your database or your desired folder. ROI23. Just click on save. Okay, and I will add this on map to preview my region of interest. This will show you a preview of your extracted shape files, and from here you can label these features as well. From here you can change labeling scheme by right clicking on properties, and then just go to this, and just select district. You can also change a font size, and you can select your size and color. You can choose your color as well from here. Now this will show you district names which we have extracted. I hope viewers this video will help you a lot. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video as well. Thank you.